Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the 70mm Dash Cam A510. A budget-friendly yet feature-packed surveillance solution for your vehicle. If you're looking to enhance your driving experience with added safety and security, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Let's start with the design. The 70mm A510 comes in a convenient set, equipped with both front and rear cameras. The build quality feels solid, and installation is straightforward. I particularly like the 2-inch LCD screen on the main unit, which makes navigating settings and reviewing footage a breeze. The rear camera is also versatile, offering a 360-degree rotation for interior monitoring when needed. Now, let's talk performance. The A510 impresses with its Sony Starvis sensor, delivering crisp 2.7K video from the front camera and 1080p from the rear. It handles daytime footage well, capturing clear details like license plates and road signs. Nighttime performance is commendable too, thanks to the Night Owl Vision algorithm, which enhances visibility under low light conditions. Moving on to features, this dash cam doesn't disappoint. It includes built-in GPS for location tracking and speed data overlay on your recordings. The 70mm app enhances usability, allowing you to view and manage footage conveniently on your smartphone. One caveat though, to unlock full parking surveillance capabilities, you'll need to hardwire the camera, which might be an extra step for some users. Let's summarize the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get dual-channel recording for comprehensive coverage, reliable Sony Starvis lenses, and an intuitive app interface. However, it's worth noting that the camera can struggle with sudden changes in lighting conditions. And there's number 4K option if you're after ultra-high resolution. So, should you consider buying the 70mm Dash Cam A510? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that offers solid performance and essential features like dual-channel recording and GPS, then yes, this is definitely worth considering. It's easy to install, delivers reliable video quality, and provides peace of mind on the road. That wraps up our review of the 70mm Dash Cam A510. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tech insights. As always, thank you for watching Product Critique, and drive safe out there.